Hey y'all, so this hair is from YGwigs. This is the box. I do show you two different styles with this wig, like curly bangs, and also I straighten the bangs. This is a full wig. It doesn't have any lace at all. On the inside, they sent a little book that has like a lot of other wigs that they carry. They also sent some hoop earrings, a little gold pair, some headbands as well. So they sent these two. Also got an edge brush, 2 hair clips, and some stocking caps. On the package, it actually says that it is a non-lace wig, 20-inch body wave. Density of this wig is 150 and it is in the natural color. So yeah, if y'all want to see it like this, and also if y'all want to see it like this, then you know, keep on watching. But I did want to show y'all an affordable option. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig looks fresh out of the pack. It does have like some loose body wave kind of curls to it, and the bangs are straight and everything. You could just put it on and kind of bump the bangs and wear it like this if you want a more loose curl kind of look. But I did want to try the curly bangs, curly hair kind of thing. So I am just spraying some holding spray in the hair first. I'm just using Fantasia Spritz, and I'm going to just spray the hair down. Y'all might hear Amiri in the back. She is playing. So I'm just doing some wand curls on this hair. I probably should have used the curling iron that I ended up using for my bangs, because it probably would have gave a tighter ringlet, but I just used this small curling wand to do my curls. So you can see how I'm doing my curls, and after I curl them, I do hold it in my hand and let it cool down for a second so that the curls are not going to drop so much, and that way the curls will hold in the hair better. So I'm just going through and curling the hair. I do kind of flip through, and then now I'm working more so at the top. And I did also alternate the curls where some were going inwards, some were going outwards, if you know what I'm saying. Like some are going back away from my face and some are coming towards my face. So like right here I did one backwards, and then this one I do going forward. So it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but that is what I did, and that is also going to give your hair a lot more body and make it a lot more fuller. So alternate your curls, but in the front section I like to keep all of those going away from my face. So that first curl in the front is always pushed back away from my face on each side, and then I start to alternate the curls in between in the middle section. So you can see I have pretty much curled all of the hair, and then once I actually get to the bangs, I did also use my curling wand to curl it. But with this curling wand, and it's kind of like a little bigger, although it's small, I was going to be burning my fingers. So you can see it's not going to give the best curl, even though I still tried it, but I'm going to end up using a curling iron later. So I would suggest that you do the same thing if you want to do wand curls in the back, and then do curling iron curls in the front. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop the wig on. You can see the bangs have a slight bump to them, a little bit of a curl, but they're not curly bangs. And this also gives kind of like a messy bang look. So you could kind of wear it like this as well. But now I'm taking a regular clip curling iron. This is actually a wand, and you can change out the barrels on it. So it comes with some regular curling wands and some with clips. So I'm just using the smallest size that came in this set, and I'm gonna go through and just curl the bangs. And I'm also doing some alternating curls, but mostly, you know, they'll be going away from my face on each side, but it's in the center. So you know, whatever you want to do that. Amiri is making a lot of noise playing in my drawers. So yeah, I'm just going through and curling all of the pieces and just making the bangs a lot more curly. And I'm also curling it all the way down to the base because I do want it to be really full and voluminous. And also another thing that is going to make this hair really, really voluminous and give it a lot of body is cutting some layers in. So you can see how flat the side looks right now, but we are going to go in and cut layers into the hair. So I'm just using some shears. You can use a razor or whatever works the best for you. A razor is definitely going to give you a lot more layers and a more choppy look, but I just used my shears for this. So you can see how the hair is layering. It's shorter at the top, longer at the bottom, and it's not taking away any length from the hair. It's just giving it some layers and more body to the hair. Then I'm going to go through and just separate my curls and just play around to get the hair to look how I want it to look. Y'all let me know down below if y'all like this curly bangs kind of look, or if you just prefer to wear your bangs straight, like with a little bump, like how I'm going to show you at the end. But I don't know. I think I kind of like the curly look more. But I did end up flat ironing it after I curled it. So I went out and I actually wore the hair with the bangs straight, but I kind of wish I would have just flat ironed them first and then curled them, so I could have just wore it out like this, because I kind of like this look more. It's kind of messy and it's giving like a vintage kind of vibe. It definitely would look cuter if I had put my makeup on, but I just was not feeling it this day as far as putting on makeup and all of that. But I think it also looks really pretty with a fresh face as well, because it's just giving skin on glow. Okay, so I'll just play around with the bangs and everything just to get them to fall how I want them to. These bangs were a little short, but it still worked out fine, and I didn't cut them at all. This is how they came, so it will work with this wig if you decide to pick it up. So I'm going to be talking in this next part, so let's get into that. Okay, y'all, so this is the hairstyle with the curly bangs. It's giving me like 70s, 80s kind of vibes. I don't know, like I feel like I'm gonna just be in a different time, but I've definitely seen people wear their hair like this and it's really cute. I think it's kind of a little long for this look though, so I'm gonna show y'all with the bangs just flat ironed as well. But this is the back. Let me just show y'all, if you don't want to wear it like this, another way that you could do it. So now you can see I'm just combing through the hair, and if you wanted like this kind of look, you can do this as well, but I am going to flat iron the bangs out. So you can see I'm just kind of going down the hair really slow to really just get all of those curls out and flat iron it out. And I'm just going to go section by section, flat ironing the hair out to give it a nice bump and more so of a straight bumped kind of bang instead of it being all curly. And like I said previously, let me know which style y'all prefer. If y'all like the curly bangs more, if you would try the curly bangs, or if you just prefer to have your bangs straight and, you know, kind of like a regular bangs kind of style. So yeah, I'm just going through and flat ironing the hair. I'm just going section by section and going nice and slow so that all of the curls that I put in previously will come out of the hair. And I'm just going to trim off any little extra pieces as well. Okay, so this is how she looks with the bangs straightened. Obviously, you could wear the hair straight, but since I already have it curled, I'm just going to leave the hair curled. An easy way to hide this top section is to just put a headband on if you don't want that to show. This is definitely a more affordable wig option. You can easily hide it by just putting on a headband. Okay, y'all, so this is the second completed look of the wig. I really just wanted to show y'all a more affordable option because this wig doesn't have any lace, so it's definitely a lot cheaper than like a lace wig. And this one already had bangs cut, so I didn't have to cut them or anything like that. So yeah, if you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.